call from Ms. Shubha.
My name is Alumni. So I'm here to do a campus drive. I'm coming from a company called Alumni. I deal with HR and operations, and unexpectedly I got a call from Ashwin sir. So he was saying about XLR solutions and the way he approached us, saying that the candidates will be trained as per our requirements. So digital marketing was the immediate requirement. We have gone through the interview process. It was quite excited to see good number of talent pools in XLR. We could shortlist couple of them, and we have given some placements as well, even both for the full-time as well as internship. So overall our experience with XLR is nice, and we look forward for a long-term relationship with XLR and the excited team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rupesh, and I work with Dotline as a performance marketeer, and I've got about like 15 plus years of experience. So today I happen to come here for the placement drive. Rightfully matched few profiles based on the requirement that we had. I'm so happy that XLR did a great job in terms of getting the pool of talents out and training them, and lucky that we are here so that we got the right match and we were able to get it. And thank you so much, XLR. Thank you.
So hello guys, myself Mohammad Tarheeb. I am a graduate from aviation background, and then I thought of doing my course in digital marketing. So then XLR was the best opportunity for me. I took out digital marketing from them, and then I enhanced my skills in digital marketing. They offered me a campus drive in a company called Dotline. They gave us 3 days of good session for student development program, wherein they gave us a good opportunity of learning whatever the skills is required for the interview, for us to enhance our skills and then perform well in interview. So yeah, after the interview went well and I have got selected in Dotline Designs right now, and I am excited for the opportunity coming up.
Hi, I'm Pinky. I did my MBA in HR. How I got to know about this institute is through Google. And then we got a wonderful trainer whose name is Asar. He used to give theoretical ideas, and for this interview we had a prior 3-day session for just brushing up all the requirements needed to attend the interview, which is again a wonderful thing from XLR team. So I had a good experience in attending the interview session for Dotline company. Thank you.
My name is Rahul Ulkar. I've been working as a senior architect in UX systems. So today we are here at XLR Systems for the placement drive, and I really appreciate the placement services that the team that I actually met. We really got a good service and hospitality service. Actually, the way they actually welcome is really fantastic, and I love. This is actually one of the best experience that I have ever. And and about the student quality, today we had interviews with almost like 25 to 30 students, but the candidates are really good. I mean, with respect to knowledge, with respect to communication, I mean, they are much more familiar about the technologies. Most of the interviews we had in Java, and the students are really fantastic. Thank you.
I'm Hariprasad Bugate. So today we have come here on the behalf of UX Systems, and so we are conducting a drive at XLR. The students here, they are also, we found them very confident. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Pimple. I have completed my full stack development course from the XLR EdTech Private Limited. The XLR is doing the fantastic job. The XLR placement team is doing the excellent work, and they are also providing the SDP session that boost our confidence at the next level. I would like to thank the whole training and placement team of the XLR for arranging the drive at the XLR Pune office. Thank you. The training provided by the XLR was very fantastic. The placement was provided are also good. There are the various SDP sessions was conducted at XLR office, so that student can enhance their skill and knowledge and crack the interview and boost our knowledge to the next level.
The training provided by XLR is flawless. They provide good placement support. They doing STP sessions regularly to boost our confidence to the next level. I would like to thank whole XLR team to arrange the campus drive at Pune office.
Hi, myself Sudhakar. I came from PeopleLink Unified Communications, and there I am working as a head for the marketing department. Today we visited this XLR for campus placement drive. So we are happy that we came here to XLR, and whoever we interviewed today, we are very much happy because they have very good knowledge, not only theory, and we can see they have like a good practical knowledge also. They are providing very good strong foundation for the candidates. So we are planning to hire more people from XLR.
Hi, myself Mohammad Khalib, and I'm from PeopleLink. Like I'm a digital marketer of the PeopleLink. We came for the XLR to take an interviews of the SEO and other like digital marketing interviews process. So about the XLR candidates, the profiles, like we got shortlisted. Like if they have a good knowledge on the digital marketing. So apart from digital marketing, they have on marketing other activities like customer support wise or any other like. So here we got a good candidates. So more SEO part or the social media marketing or the PPC. So like the interview process like was good, and we actually got a good candidates here. So we have taken like more and more candidates from the XLR.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Mohammad Siddiq, and I've done my digital marketing course from XLR Solutions, the best learning platform for digital marketing. It's XLR Solutions. What specialized solutions what I have studied in XLR is SMM, social media optimization, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and etc. The service and the learning platform and the tutors was excellent, and they have provided me a best internship platform with PeopleLink. It was very pleased to have that opportunity to me to explore my skills and execute my knowledge on that platform. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sucharita. Recently I have done my digital marketing in XLR, and since digital marketing is the most trending and evolving platform in the market, you can often career here in this field. So in XLR they will provide you intense training and in digital marketing, and the trainer are very well trained and they have good hand-on experience in digital marketing. So they will provide you each and every details and train you perfectly in the field of digital marketing, and after the completion of course they will provide you to work in real field in projects, so to elevate your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. After completion of course also XLR has provided placement assistance for me. Today I have come here to attend a placement interview conducted by XLR in PeopleLink company. So my experience in that job interview is very good. The HR are very good and friendly. They have explained you very well like in which field and how the digital marketing works in their company. So till now I have a very good experience in XLR, and I definitely will recommend you to join the course for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Nikhil Reddy V. I'm currently graduated with Masters in Management with Sales and Marketing. I'm currently done with my interview, and I've done my digital marketing course with XLR. I found the course online in Google in top ranking in search, and based on the curriculum and everything, and the professors and everyone are quite excellent in the XLR faculty team. And my professor was Mr. Uday, and Uday was a Google certified and Google trained professor. He teaches me digital marketing, and during the classes he was an excellent professor. He used to clarify every doubts, and if I had any doubts post the class period, he used to personally take care in teachers and clarify the doubts today I'm here with people, selling people, interviewing for them, and my interview went well good, hoping for the good. Thank you, XLR.
Hi, myself Rohan. I have completed my degree, and after completing my degree I decided to do digital marketing, and through internet I have got this XLR solutions which has number of ratings, so I decided to join. So after completing I even did projects, live projects. They helped me in each and everything. After doing that they even placed me in interviews, and today I attended People Link company. Thank you, XLR.
Hello friends, I am Ronak and I want to share my experience with XLR. So I was enrolled in XLR for a software testing course, and I have to say right from the start of the course we were provided with the best service. I feel the quality of teaching in the course is the best, with live lectures every day, separate doubt sessions and also recorded sessions if you have missed the sessions or you just want to revise. Throughout the course, we learned manual testing, Java, SQL, Selenium, and TestNG framework. After the learning part was completed, interview preparation sessions were also conducted. So, proper guidance was given by the faculty, assignments were given to be completed, and group projects were taken, as well as we had to make individual projects, which proved to be very beneficial for us in sharpening our skills as well. So mock interviews were also held to make sure we get good placements. Finally, I got placed in many companies. So as my personal experience, it's the best institute to join if your dream is to get a job in IT and make a good career in IT. So just go for it.
Hi, I'm Sai Akhil and I'm working as a process consultant and data analyst in Siemens Technologies Private Limited. After joining XLR on my first day to the classroom, so I went there, I was really nervous because I'm entirely new to data science and data science is like an ocean. So I felt like how would it be, how would the faculty teach me and everything. The faculty was really good. They went on about teaching things in a really specific manner. What problems would you face as a data scientist and how would you solve it? So they explained everything in that manner. The business knowledge which XLR imparts on a student, so that's something which is really valuable. One more great thing about XLR is that there are really good value added courses which are provided to me for free without any extra fee, like Tableau, cloud engineering and big data engineering and some really good courses which are in demand in the market, which what we learned along with the data science to be a good data scientist. So they gave me a jumbo pass where they will give you all the training videos, provide you with all the training videos and some new videos which were about to come as well. So those videos I used to refer whenever I get stuck in work. It is like the bond that never ends for us and XLR. So that's a really great thing. I would definitely, without a doubt, I would say that XLR would be the best institute.
Hello all, myself Amit Kulkarni, currently working as associate consultant in Bristlecone, a Mahindra group of companies. A good thing which I see in XLR solution is that the feedback loop which
Good afternoon, everyone. Hope all are doing good. We'll start the session. So hope trainer also with us. Hari, you can take up the class.
Yeah, sure, sure. Can I get a confirmation whether my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, Hari, it is audible.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, dear participants, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to like one and all present here. I hope like you all are doing good. So once again, I welcome you all for international faculty development program on AI and generative AI. So 3 days has completed, right? So we have learned multiple things. Let's have a quick brush up. Then let's go to the today's topic. Today we won't be having any theory kind of thing. Today it will be completely practical. So if anyone want to code simultaneously, if you have joined with your laptop or system, then you can do. Uh, okay, just give me a minute. Okay, till now, what and all we have learned. Till now, what and all we have learned. First, we have understood about the generative AI. First, we have understood about generative AI. I hope everyone having a good idea that what is generative AI is. And the second thing is we have understand about HI, which is nothing but human intelligence. Which is nothing but human intelligence. What is human intelligence like that we have understood. And the third thing is AI, which is nothing but artificial intelligence we have understood. And the fourth one, what we have understood is types of AI. Fourth one is types of AI. I believe that there will be two types. One is based on capabilities and based on functionalities. I believe all will be fine with that. For each and everything, we have given example also, right? Then followed by that, what we have understood. We have understood about the LLM, which means first we have understood about models. What is models like that we have understood. Then after that, we have understood about the language models, which means LM. Language models we have understood. Then large language model. So before these things and all, which means after types of AI, mainly what we have understood is we have understood about the types of data. We have understood about types of data, which means what is structured data, what is unstructured data, then where ML algorithm is coming into the picture, and where deep learning algorithm coming into the picture, for which kind of data, which kind of algorithm we have to use. So these things and all we have learned in a short time. Then yesterday, what we have understood about the Gemini. We have understood about the Gemini. I believe everyone understood what Gemini is and how to do like that. I believe everyone understood. So now before going into today topic, today also from Gemini we will be doing another task. Then we will be going with Ollama, OLLAMA, Ollama we will be going. Before that what I want is I want Chat GPT also, yes, correct. Chat GPT also we have understood, right? Chat GPT. Now, what I want from you all is till here. Do you have any doubts till here? Till here, do you have any doubts? If you are having any doubts, you can ask the question. Yeah, no, sir, all clear. Yeah, fine. I got the confirmation from one participant. So nearly 517 participants were available, right? What about the others? Can I get a confirmation from everyone? Yeah, no, all clear. Okay. Yeah, all clear. Okay. 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 I got some good answers, everything clear. You can proceed like that. I got. Now, without any delay, let me go to the browser. Let me go to this particular PPT. Yeah. So as I said, if we want to use, how come if we want to use Gemini. Yeah, very thank you. If we want to use like Gemini for any development purpose, just like that we should not go to browser, and just like that we should not type Gemini or Chat GPT like that I have said, right? What example I have given, whatever the product uh, live in the market, it will be having two phases. One is for developer and another one is for normal users. So whatever Chat GPT we were using, that is completely for the normal people, common people. And from OpenAI, if you are trying to use, means that is for the developers. So now currently, like what I have planned is like we are not planning, like we are not going with like OpenAI. Why? Because the responses like they have limited. Uh, Before that, let me give an overview so that like in concepts like you all won't have any confusion. Just a minute. So multiple models were there, right? Just like that, these are all completely new name for you all. So all will be like confusing. I'm telling Gemini like that. I'm telling one thing. Then I'm telling GPT like that. I'm telling. Then I said Palm. So Palm is the main use case. On our last day, we will be using Palm and we will be doing the educational content summarization. We will be using with the help of Streamlit. We will be building as an application itself. Like we will be building. That is our last day. Palm, we will be looking on last day. Then today, as I said, like we are going with Llama. Now everyone will be having doubt. What are these things like that? You all will be having doubt. What all these things like that? Then this thing I forgot. LangChain. So LangChain. What are these things like that? You all will be getting doubt. So Gemini is nothing but Google product. So Gemini is nothing but a Google product. And here GPT, which means Chat GPT, it is nothing but an OpenAI product. It is nothing but an OpenAI product. And here Palm we were having, right? Palm also nothing but an Google product. Palm also nothing but Google product. And Llama, this is nothing but Meta. I hope everyone knows about Meta, right? Meta Facebook, nothing but Facebook. So Meta model. And here LangChain like that we were having, right? So this LangChain is nothing but a framework. A framework. Your voice is not clear, sir. Uh, yeah, other participants, can I get a confirmation whether my voice is clear? Other participants, just to give a confirmation. Okay, then I think Mr. Karthik, I think from my side it is clear. From your side, network issue, I think so. Try to rejoin, you won't face any difficulties. Okay, fine. Okay. As we discussed, here we were having these models. So Gemini we understood, and GPT nothing but our Chat GPT, OpenAI like that we know, and Palm nothing but Google like that we know, and Llama Meta like that we know, and a LangChain framework like that we know. Now we all have to understand for which kind of use case we want to use which kind of model. Those things we have to understand. So here I will be telling that this LangChain, as of now, as a beginner, I will be telling that no need to focus of this. No need to focus on this lang chain. I will tell why. Why I will tell. So instead of this lang chain only, we are going with llama, which means OLLAMA, Ollama like that we will be having. With that, we will be using that particular thing I will be coming little bit later on. The first trending model is nothing but this OpenAI model. The very first trending model, which means 2 years back, 2022, or later 2022 and early 2023s, this OpenAI, which means nothing but GPT model, where in a next level, every developers were using completely OpenAI model only. This particular model is trained with billions and billions of data. So this model will be performing fine. But now here the issue is they have completely limited. They have completely limited the response. So we like multiple time we can't run that particular code. There will be some limited response. Only till that limited response, this OpenAI will be working with the help of API. After that, it won't work. Then if you want to use means we have to pay for that and we have to use. This is one issue here. But when we come to Gemini, in Gemini, like we are having multiple models. In Gemini, we were having multiple models. So from that models, nearly six models, they are giving for free. Nearly six models they are giving for free, which is nothing but an open source kind of model. We can have there is no limitation. There is no limitation. So if you are going for a small scale purpose, which means in your website your traffic won't be like more than lakhs. At a fraction of second, more than lakh people won't reach your website. Like that, when you are thinking means you can go with this Gemini model. You can go with this Gemini model. This is the updated model from the Google. Updated model from the Google. So Gemini we were having, then uh, Gemma, like that we were having like another model, GEMMA. So that is also an like Google model only. Last month only they have released. Now let's come to the third one. We understood about the OpenAI. Now let's come to the third one, which means Palm model. So this Palm model, this is also like one of the good model in 2022. Yeah, sorry, 2023. One second. So this particular model discovered on like 2022, which means like as a competition of this OpenAI, they have launched this particular model. But the thing is, this particular model were not working fine. But when it comes to like 2023, on that time they have fine-tuned the model, which means model have completely be retrained, and the another version of the model they have released. From that, this particular Palm also giving a free. So free under this Palm, we were having nearly 10 to 15 models we were having under this Palm. Nearly 10 to 15 LLM models we were having. Everything is completely free. Here also there is no limit. Here also there is no limit. And the next one, Llama. Llama means as I said, we all know that Facebook. I hope like everyone know Facebook. Uh, and like now, if you open WhatsApp or Facebook, you will be finding like Meta like that. You will be finding Meta like that. So that particular company only released all the Llama versions. Released all the Llama. Llama is a kind of model, but the actual term like how we will be telling is OLLAMA. Ollama like that we will be telling. So this is a tool. This is a tool. Which tool? It is a AI tool. For what purpose? For building a LLM application. For building LLM application in local system. In local system. So in our case, like we are going to perform with the local system only, right? We are not going with like any production servers and all. We are not going with like any production servers. In our local system, we are going to build model. For that particular purpose, we are going with like Ollama. But when you are building when you are building on the like production purpose, and if you want like more functionality, see, if you want to use this Ollama means we have to download this particular model. How come we have to download this particular model in our local system? So we will be downloading. I will be showing you like how to download like that. I will be showing you all. It will be like one particular model will be like 4 GB like that. It will be small model 4 GB like that. It will be. We will be like downloading that particular model, and we will be building the LLM model without asking, like without giving instruction. We will be checking. Then after that, like what we will be doing is we will be giving one. We will be fine tuning. After fine tuning, we will be checking the model. That fine tuning, like I could say, it is a kind of like a basic RAG model, like that I can say. Now, at last, this framework, which means like LangChain, this thing like it is completely for developers, which means like real time, like that I will be mentioning. Why I am mentioning real time? Other things and all, it is not used for real time or not like that. If you're asking the question means, I will be telling everything is used for real time only. But here, why I am mentioning real time means this particular model, which means sorry, this particular framework, they will be using in the production server, and with this lang chain you can access all this Gemini, then GPT model, palm model, llama model, everything you can access with the help of lang chain. The thing with the lang chain is multiple functionalities you can create, multiple functionalities you can create. It is like one of the advanced, it is one of the advanced like a framework like that I will be telling. As of now, like for replacement for this, like nothing is there for now. Who knows, like tomorrow there might be a like a new framework. As of now, there is no framework. Okay, I hope now everyone got an idea on the like models, right? AI tools and models, right? Can I get a confirmation? Okay. Now, without any delay, so what I'm doing is I'm just going with this particular link, developers dot generative AI dot Google, or otherwise like you can use, you can give like AI dot Google dot dev. Uh, Wait, in the notes, let me. So AI dot Google dot dev. In the URL, if you just type this thing means which kind of model you all can use. You can use Palm model. Then like you can use like Gemini. You can use Gemini. Then you can use Gemma. Gemma. You can use like Gemma. So these three models, if you go to this particular site means you all can use. Now, let me go to, yesterday I have showed you all like how to go to the Gemini like that I have showed you, right? Here, just you have to scroll down. Okay, wait, sorry. Click on this Gemini API. After clicking onto this Gemini API, see here you will be getting like try it in Google AI Studio like that you will be getting. Click on to that, try it in Google AI Studio. Once after clicking that, so here you will be getting the prompts, like whatever prompt you want, you can write and you can check. Now, we all know that this particular Gemini 1.5 model, 1.5 Pro model, it is like completely trained on like 2022 data. Till 2022 in internet, whatever data were there, it is completely trained on that particular data. Now what I want is, I want to create a LLM. I want to create a large language model completely based on this particular PDF. So here you all are able to find convolutional neural network, which is nothing but CNN. So let me go to the next one. See here, neural network architecture like that you are able to find, right? Here I'm having some terms like fully connectivity like that I'm having. Then a convolutional neural network like that I'm having. Then like if you like edge detection like that I'm having. Like that multiple 2D convolution. Like that multiple terms I'm having, right? Now let's check how this Gemini model is working. What I'm going to do, this particular file, I'm going to upload this particular PDF file. I'm going to upload into this Gemini. Then I'm going to ask some question to it. Now let's understand how our model is like performing fine or not, like that. Let's understand. So let me come here. Here we all will be finding the plus symbol. So let me click on the plus symbol. I hope like everyone knows, if you want to toggle between the like models, means right side under models, you all will be having a drop down. So we have to click on that particular drop down. So Gemma, like that I have said, right? So see here, Gemma 2 9B and the Gemma 2 27B, like that you are able to find, right? So these are the models. Now we are not going to like preview this particular model. In future anyway, this particular model also will be paid version. It won't be like open source model. Only these three models will be like completely an open source. In my case, like what I'm going to do is, let me go with like 1.5 flash model. I used to prefer like flash model. Why? Because the computation will be like little bit quicker. When I pass an prompt, I will be getting the mm, like quick response I will be getting. So before that, I'm telling prompt like that I'm telling, right? Can anyone tell what is prompt? Can anyone tell like what is prompt based on your idea? Asking a question, query. What about others? I want answer from everyone. Okay, query like prompt means, of course, providing hint, sentence framing, giving keyword. Hmm. By giving information using prompt, we can fine tune the model. Prompt is not only for fine tuning the model. Okay. Wait. Prompt. Prompt is nothing but a way of communication. Way of communication to LLM, which is nothing but a language. How we are talking in like English, we are talking, right? In the same way, machine language is nothing but prompt. Not machine language, sorry, not machine language. For LLM model, large language model languages, nothing but prompt. Nothing but prompt. If anyone asks like what does prompt means, prompt is a like way of communication, or it is a language like that you can tell. For them also, like you can give an example that now you and me are communicating in English, right? In the same way, if I want to communicate with the LLM means, then I have to talk with that particular model with the language what it knows. It knows only prompt. So as an input, we okay, I can understand like most of them have said like instruction like that. Everyone have said, right? I can understand why, because yesterday when we are like building in our language, we are telling like instruction like that we are telling. So instruction we are passing. After that, like it is going into the LLM. Then after that, I am getting an output. That output also nothing but like a statement kind of output I am getting, or statement, or like some content, something we can say. That kind of output I'm getting. So we humans, we do this, do that, or go straight, go right. So these kind of things like we are telling like instruction, and I try to be my a personal assistant and give the gym diet. Like that, I'm telling to my LLM. Normally, we used to tell this as a instruction. But when it comes to technically, we have to talk, right? When it comes to technically, like we will be telling it as input prompt. Input prompt. Then what is that? LLM. After that, what we are getting? Output prompt. Output prompt. So input language, you are passing input in the form of prompt, that is input prompt, then LLM, then output prompt. Now, before going to the passing that PDF and asking questions, before that, there are some types of prompt we were having. How come? Some types of prompt we were having. In that, let's understand about the three popular prompt. Three popular like prompt types like that. Let me keep. I hope like everyone knows about prompt design and engineering. That also I will be telling. But as of now, we let us understand about these types of prompt. Then we will be going with the let me give a quick brush up on design, prompt design, as well as prompt engineering. Then we will go to the Gemini and we will be passing the data PDF file, and let's try to ask question. So here the first thing is nothing but zero shot prompt. And the second one is nothing but one shot or single shot prompt. And the third one is nothing but few shot prompt. These are the popular three kind of prompt participants. If we know these three prompt means, then we can easily do the prompt engineering. If we know these three things, then we can easily do the prompt engineering. Now you all will be confused. Okay, zero, then one, few, like that he have kept. What it means? The name is completely different. What it means, like that everyone will be having a doubt, right? Now let me write zero shot prompt. Now, based on your idea, tell me what is this zero shot prompt? Based on your idea, from the from this particular name, you all tell me what could be zero shot prompt. I will give 1 minute of time. So I want minimal answer from everyone. Nearly 9:30 participants were available. Just to give a try. Just to give a try. User asking question without giving example. Yeah, user communicates only once with LLM. Okay, what about others? What about others? Just to give a try. Okay, fine. I think most of them were confused. I think so. Only one time input prompt required. Okay. Okay. See, for a zero shot prompt, what I can say is, in a simple word, I can tell that. Yeah, yes, correct. Prompting without example. Prompt without example. Now, for this particular term, let me give an example. How I will be writing prompt like that. So directly I will be going to either Gemini or Chat GPT or multiple AI tools we were having, right? Just like that, I will be going to any AI search engine tool. Then there I will be giving that add two numbers, like that I will be giving. Then I will be giving 5 plus 5. Like that, if I pass into the pass this particular prompt as an input prompt means, then that is called zero shot prompt. Here what I am doing, I am just giving that add two number, like that I am giving, and I am giving two number. This is called zero shot prompt. How come? This is called zero shot prompt. Now let me go for like one shot prompt. So one shot or like a single shot, like that we will be telling. So one shot prompt. One shot prompt means prompt with one example. Prompt with one example. So here, how I will be like writing the prompt is example. The same, I'm taking the same example. What I'm doing, add two numbers, like that I'm giving. And here, after this on next line, what I will be doing is question 1, 2 plus 2. Then here, answer 1, 4. Now, question 2, 5 plus 5. Like that, if I pass the prompt means, then I will be getting an output like A2, which means answer to 10, like that I will be getting. So here what we are doing, we are giving one example. Here what we are doing, we are giving this one example. This is called one shot prompt. This is called one shot prompt. And the next one, what we were talking, what is the third type of prompt? What is the third type of prompt? Anyone remember what is the third kind of prompt? Yes, few shot prompt. Few short prompt. So here how I can like explain is, I can directly tell that prompt with more than one example. Prompt with more than one example. Yes, giving example of different kind. Yeah, yes. So here how I can tell is, see why I am explaining with the same kind of example. Addition, like that I am going, right? Why I am explaining, so that like you all will be having an idea. Okay, here like just we are telling the language model, large language model to add two number. We are telling and we are giving the question. It is giving one answer. Here, how it will be? The answer for 5 plus 5 is 10, like that I will be getting. But here, what I am doing, I am mentioning the like one structure I am mentioning. Q1, 2 plus 2. So A1 is 4, like that I am mentioning. Now my model will be understanding this is a pattern, and Q2 5 plus 5. For that, it will be giving an output like A2 10, like that it will be giving. Now the same thing here we are going to do. The same kind of example only. So here, same add two number, like that I am giving. For that, Q1, 1 plus 1, A1 will be 2, like that. Then Q2, 2 plus 2, for that A2 will be 4, like that. Then Q3, 4 plus 4, for that A3 will be 8, like that. Now I will be asking the Q4. That Q4, like if I am asking like 1 plus 5 means, then it will be giving the answer. Here only like we will be getting the answer. 6 like that we will be getting the answer. So this is called few shot prompt. For your understanding, I have taken a very basic example. See, for your understanding, I have taken a very basic example. But when you are building an application, you have to understand, first of all, you have to design it, like how the prompt has to be, what you have to do. Like that, you have to completely design it. Then you have to work on it. How come? Then you have to work on it. The best example, like what I can tell is, think that you are building a chatbot. Think that you are building a chatbot or like you are building a search engine. If you are telling to your machine that you are my like assistant, try to be my assistant, and your particular name is like some name like we are giving, and we are telling to the machine that you have to answer this. If anyone asks any question regarding like technology means you have to answer like that. If I tell means, then the output will be like if you ask like what is generative AI means, generative AI output you will be getting. That one it is possible with zero shot. If you go with like either few shot or like one shot prompt, there what you can do is you are giving the same kind of prompt, then you are giving one example. If a person asks like what is generative AI means, then for that the first answer how it has to be is, hi, welcome to my whatever your application or assistant name you can give. Welcome to my platform, ABC platform. So your question is that particular question. For that, the detailed answer with an example or explanation with an example. Like that, if you construct one particular sentence on the answer for the first example, if you construct means, then based on that, when you ask like next question, it will be giving. When you ask next question, it will be giving. So now I hope like everyone understood about the these types of prompt, right? See, this is like very, very important. Now, for this example, you might be thinking, okay, what like to adding to a number like that, you will be thinking. But when you are going for like a use case, when you are building an application, on that time, this prompt is like very, very important. Now, can I get confirmation? I hope everyone, or I believe everyone understood about the prompt and the popular types of like three types of prompt, right? Zero shot, one shot, and few shot. Can I get quick confirmation from everyone? Yeah, quite clear. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's come back here. Yeah, very thank you. Now let's come back here. So this is the thing like we were doing, right? What we have done, we have opened the Gemini. Uh, from there, like we have came to like Google AI Studio. Here I have changed the model. I have changed the model to 1.5 flash. I have changed, and here temperature like you can toggle. So in my case, I'm keeping like 0.55 like that. I'm keeping. I said this temperature is nothing but the like creativity. When it's trying to like generate some content, how creativity it has to be like that. And here token is nothing but how like maximum kind of output. That is nothing but the token. Okay. Now let me click on this plus icon. Okay, only drive is possible. Huh? Okay, so like dear participant, like what I request is now I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Now I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Why? Because like in my drive, like my personal content will be there. This is completely like live streamed, right? So I'm going to stop that and I'm going to upload this PDF into my drive. Then I will be showing you like how I'm going to integrate. So for that, like what I request is just to keep like few minutes, like kindly be patient. Within that, quickly I will be like uploading into my drive. So, first my drive. Yeah, one drive. File upload. Yeah, just give me a minute. So it is like loading, uploading. Yeah, done. The name is CNN. Hmm. Okay, now let me share. So see here, like this is the particular thing like I have shared. I'm clicking on that PDF and I'm clicking on this insert. So here you are able to find that PDF, and here you will be finding like type something like that. You will be finding like, see, nothing but this particular PDF. I have clicked on this download and downloaded. In Google, like what, how I have searched CNN colon PDF like that I have searched. CNN colon PDF. Here like this is one tip out of our content like that I can say whatever you want in like in your browser. If you want like any image, CNN kind of image means CNN colon IMG like that. If you are giving image or like IMG like that format, if you are giving means you will be getting those kind of thing. Here what I am doing CNN colon PDF like that I am giving. So whatever link I am having, if I just click on to that means directly it will be opening as a PDF. This is one of the like what to say like tip like that you can take it. Then here sorry. Then here I have clicked on this download and I have downloaded it. Now let me come here. Here what I'm mentioning is understand this CNN PDF and answer the questions related to this PDF content like that I'm giving. Just I'm typing like this. Then I'm clicking on this run. See, model is like understanding, it is training. It will take some time. Why? Because PDF we were passing, right? Yesterday, whenever like we are giving some prompt within 1 second, 1.5 second, we got an output. See here, what it is happening? It is understanding that particular PDF. How come it is understanding that particular PDF and it is giving like every content, whatever available in that PDF, it is giving every content. Now here, like what I'm going to give is, see here itself, the first question it itself has given. Let me copy this. Let me give the question and let me click on run. What are the main advantage of CNN like that I'm giving? Let's see like what answer it will be giving. See here we are getting an output. We are getting an output. How this output is generating? It is understanding that particular PDF. It is understanding that particular PDF and it is giving the output. Now you all will be having a doubt that or like question that okay, what is the use of this uploading and asking question like that? You all will be having a question, right? For that, let me give a use case. Uh, think that in your college, like symposium, these kind of things will be happening, right? Cultural event kind of things we will be like doing, right? In that event, like we will be having like essay writing or like mm, let's take essay writing itself. Essay writing competition we will be like hosting, right? Essay writing competition, yes or no? Yes or no? In colleges, like competition like that, we will be like hosting, right? Think that you are having like nearly like 100 participants. Nearly 100 participants you are having. Those 100 participants have written some essay based on nature or like based on your department or based on generative AI you are telling. You are telling based on generative AI, every like participants have to write an essay. From that, this particular college is going to cup top 5. when I'm studying, these kind of competitions and all were there. Some like physical competition also were there, and like this essay kind of thing also were there in college time. On the time, how it will be like 3 to 4 in charge faculties will be there, or like students will be there. What they have to do, whatever essay they have written, everything they have to read, right? Everything they have to read. Then they have to give the like top five, like that they have to give. For that, how many minutes it will be taking, dear faculties? Kindly reply in this chat. 100 essay, 100 people have given like essay to you in a paper, like they have written the essay and they have given you, or like in system, in notebook, or like word, they have typed the essay and they have given you. You want to evaluate those 100. How many minutes you all will be taking? How many hours you all will be taking? 500 minutes. Okay, tell in hours, like how many hours, like minimum, we will be taking. It will take around 50 hours. It will take around 8 hours. Yeah, like based on our like mood and interest only. 10 hours. Yes, correct. But we can't complete within 1 hour. Within 1 hour, like we can't read like that much and all. And if we read the like 2 to 3% like essay means, after that we will be like feel like bored, fed up. Then like we need some relaxation. Then again after some time, like we will be like trying to evaluate that. So these kind of things we will be doing, right? Instead of that, instead of that, those students, whatever they have written, if you copy that and if you keep in an Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel is there, right? First column like serial number, and the second column name, which is nothing but participant's name, and the third column their essay. If you copy that content, for copying 100 and pasting, maximum it will take like 1 hour. Maximum 1 hour. If you copy that and if you save it into an Excel format, then if you click on this plus symbol, how come if you click on this plus symbol, and if you give that essay while clicking on like my drive, and if you give that like Excel file or like CSV file, now if you ask to your Gemini, try to be my evaluator, here like 100 essays were there, from that pick top 4, like that if you tell means, seconds were running like this, right? How many seconds? 15 seconds it took, right? For 100 essays, maximum it will take 25 to 30 seconds. How come? 25 to 30 seconds it will completely read every essay. Then from that, it will be picking up the top 4 and it will be giving us an output. Now everyone understood about the importance of this Gemini, right? Importance of LLM, right? We human, whatever work, if we are doing for like 10 hour or like 20 hour, we can utilize the machine to do it within half an hour or 10 minutes. Within half an hour, is it possible to load the content? Yeah, any format, any format. Yeah, like Word also you can pass. See, I have passed like PDF file, and when I'm telling like you all example, I said like Excel. Word also you are having means like MS Word you can pass. Everything you can pass. I hope now everyone understood the importance of this LLM, right? So from this, like what we have to understand, machine is not going to replace any human. A human, if he knows to use generative AI, that particular human will be replaced with another human. In real time, that is the thing like happening. So in my case, suddenly if I want to prepare any PPT, or suddenly if I want to prepare any content, I no need to go to like internet, and I no need to like refer 4 to 5 blocks. From that, like I no need to take like some point, note down some points into like diary, then creating PPT. I won't be doing those kind of things and all. Directly I will be coming to the AI tool, whatever my requirement, I will be asking that particular requirement. How come? Whatever requirement I will be asking those. Can we upload the picture? Yeah, I will be answering you. Just give me a minute. Whatever requirement I want, like I will be asking. Within a fraction of second, it will be generating an output. Then for that, if I want to create PPT means we are having multiple AI tools. With the help of that tool, I will be like directly preparing the PPT also. In a 1 day work, we can complete within like 1 hour. Yeah, it will be giving correct evaluation. See, I said right, for a simple model, for a base model, minimum like $2 million they are spending, right? It will be giving like very fine model. How to add PDF from my system. Okay, how to add PDF, right? So first of all, you have to open your drive. You have to open a new tab. From that new tab, like you have to click this. From here, you have to click on this. Where is drive? This drive, and you have to upload. After uploading, then you can come here. You can click on this plus symbol. Here, the first option, my drive, will be there. You can click this. If you click that, means on the navigation, you will be finding recent, like that you will be finding. From that recent, like you can find whatever the file recently you have uploaded. From that, you can select and you can ask questions. It will be giving the output. Okay, I got a good question that, like, can we upload any picture and can we ask the questions like that? I got a good question. So here only like another term came into the picture. Just give me a minute. So here, like we generalizedly we will be telling that LLM, large language model, like that we will be telling. But here two like differentiation were there. Two differentiation were there, which is nothing but first one is first one is LLM and the second one is LIM. This is nothing but large language model, and this is nothing but large image model. But the term LIM is not very popular. Why? Because like we are telling like all LIM also as an LLM, like that we are telling. But if we go in depth means, then we can define like this LLM and LIM. Wherever we are having text kind of thing, then we can directly go with this LLM. Wherever we are having this image kind of thing, then we can directly go with this LIM. Directly we can go with this LIM. Now we are having a third thing, that is nothing but multimodal. Multimodal. How many of them have heard the term like this multimodal? How many of them have heard? Can can we upload a local drive? It has to be uploaded in the drive first. It has to be uploaded in the drive first. Okay, so here multimodal is nothing but, how come? Multimodal is nothing but a combination of, it's a combination of LLM plus LIM. It can answer both. Text means regarding text, it will be like performing. Image means regarding image also it will be performing. So this is called a multi-model like that. Whatever Gemini model we were using, the Gemini model is not, yeah. Whatever Gemini model we were using, that Gemini model is not a multi-model. That Gemini model is not a multi-model. So we were having like a free model, right? I said like free model. That is nothing but, yeah, that is nothing but Gemini 1.0, then Gemini 1.0 Pro, then like 1.5, Gemini 1.5, then 1.5 Pro. Like that, we will be having multiple model. Including this, we will be having another model called Gemini Pro Vision model. Gemini Pro Vision model. In this model, you can do all the tasks. Image means image, text means text. Image to, if you can pass an image and you can get the output in the form of text, or you can pass a text and you can get the output in the form of image. These things are all possible with Pro Vision model. But here the issue is it is paid. It is paid. If you want to use this means, then in GCP, Google Cloud Platform, you have to pay for the Vertex AI service. You have to pay for Vertex AI service. In that, you can perform this provision model. Free means like currently, like we can go with this text kind of models. Okay, I hope like everyone got it. Now, let's go to Ollama. Yeah, great. Thanks. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Where is the PPT? So, let's go to the next slide, which is nothing but Ollama for Windows. What is the cost of? See, like when it comes to like cloud, platform, there the cost won't be like fixed cost based on our usage. Like it will be like charging. The first thing how it will be is whenever you are creating like any like GCP, let's take GCP itself, Google Cloud Platform. When you are signing in, you will be giving your ID and password, right? Sign up, we will be doing right. On that time itself, it will be asking the credit card. It will be asking the credit card number. It will be asking. Then you will be giving credit card number. Then 1 or 2 rupee like that. It will be like debiting. Uh, then you can go to that particular service and you can use. Based on your usage, you will be like getting billed based on the usage. Not only GCP, even AWS, every cloud is like that only. Okay, now, yeah, today's session is really going very well. Yeah, very thank you. This feedback means a lot to me. Okay, fine. Now see, I request every participants. See participants, now like what we are going to do is, I'm as I feel like I have already pre-coded. As I have already pre-coded, in that pre-coded only like I'm going to like explain what are the things like the like you all have to know like that I'm going to explain. Before that, whatever code I'm writing and whatever code I'm executing, if you all want to execute me, I request everyone to go with this particular thing. Ollama.com/download/Windows. How come? Ollama.com. OLLAMA.com/downloads/window. If you're having like if you're having Windows operating system means you all can go with Windows. So personal detail it is not I should not share. Sorry for that. Okay, fine. Uh, let's continue. Yeah, okay. Hmm. So here Ollama.com download and Windows like that I'm giving. This is the link. I request everyone to go for this. If you go here means here you will be finding like based on your operating system. Mac OS means like you can go with like Mac OS. Linux means you can go with like Linux. In my case, my system is like based on Windows operating system. So I have clicked on this window and I have clicked on this download. When I click on this download, one exe file will be like downloading. So see here, Ollama setup one like that you are able to find, right? Like that one exe file will be downloading. That exe file is nothing but, see, just understand this. Exe file is nothing but a application, a system application, a laptop application like that we can say. After that, what you have to do is you have to double click on that after downloading. It is like around 700 MB, I think so. 700 MB, it will like it will consume. After downloading, you have to double click onto that exe. Then, like down, like you will be getting that particular this icon you will be getting. From that, what you have to do is like next like that. You have to. I hope like everyone knows how to install the application. Next to location, these things and all it will be asking. Once if you click on last final install like that, If you click on install means that particular model will be installed. That particular Ollama will be installed. Now, after this, what you all have to do is, yeah, after that, what you all have to do is, you have to go to Anaconda prompt. Let me just a minute, just a minute. Let me share my entire screen so that see for a few minutes I'm going to share my entire screen. Why? Why? Because then only you all will be like understanding. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking on my like Windows icon. Then here I'm typing like Anaconda prompt like that I will be typing. How come? Anaconda prompt like that I will be typing. So here the prompt will be like opening. Here the prompt will be opening. Now from here if your particular Ollama is installed means then here you have to give Ollama pull your model name. Ollama pull then your model name. Sorry, model name. These things you have to give. Then if you press enter means each and every model will be like 4 GB, 10 GB, then 6 GB like that it will be. So that particular space you should have in your system as well as your network also has to be like fine. It will be downloading. In my case, I'm already having that model. That is the reason I'm showing you like what you have to do when you're running, what you have to do like that. Anyway, after the session in your portal, you will be getting this like notebooks, right? If you want to run that means these are the prerequisites. Environment you have to set up. Ollama, pull that particular model you have to give. If you press enter means it will be downloading. Then after that you can directly close this. No issues. After that you can directly close this. No issues. Now, I hope like everyone knows this from where we will be getting the model name. Wait 1 minute. Model name I will be telling. Just wait. Model name I will be telling. Uh, Apple Electric Car Project. I believe that everyone knows about this particular news. So, from Apple, I think from 2020, I think so. Apple, I hope everyone knows, right? It's completely like mobile, laptop, these kind of things they will be like doing. They said that when Tesla came into the picture, right? Which means like electric car, automation car, these kind of things were there, right? So Apple also said that we are going to launch a car. We are working on it, like that Apple have said on 2020. They started to work on that particular project on 2020. But February 28, 2024, they decided that they are going to kill that particular project, which means that particular project is not going fine. That particular project is not going fine. So they are going to kill that project. They are closing that project. Like that, they said, whatever model we are going to use, how come? Whatever model we are going to use, that model have the data till 2021 only. Just give me a minute. Let me open the notebook so that like if you all see the notebook, you all will be like understanding. Mm. Just a minute. Let me open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so here, yeah, I hope everyone are able to see this particular notebook, right? Basic rag like that, everyone are able to see this particular notebook, right? Yeah, okay, fine. Now directly if I execute these things means again you all will be getting one confusion. So from here, like what I will be doing is, so I'm just going to Google and I'm searching Ollama models like that I'm searching. How come Ollama models like that I'm searching? So here I'm clicking on this first thing. First link I'm clicking. So if you scroll down means here you will be finding the models. Gemma 2, then like Llama 3. See, Google. This is like Gemma is nothing but like Google, and Llama is nothing but like Meta. Like that we have seen, right? Like that multiple models will be there. How come? Multiple models will be there. From this model, we are going to use this particular thing. We are going to use Dolphin Mixtral. This is the model like we are going to use. This is the model we are going to use. For this only what I have said in your Google Colab, sorry, in your Anaconda prompt, what you have to do after installing Ollama, you have to go to your Anaconda prompt. Then there you have to, then there you have to give Ollama, then one space, then after that pull, then copy this model name and paste. So this particular model will be like 4 GB like that it will be. This particular model will be downloaded. After that, open this particular notebook. Then if I want to use Ollama means first what I have to do, I have to install it. I have to install it. So I'm clicking on this pip install Ollama like that. Let me try to execute this. This particular model, which means Dolphin Mistral, this model is there, right? This model is completely trained with 2021 data. 2021 internet, whatever data we were having, with the data only it has created. So next what I'm doing is I'm importing Ollama. Then I'm giving the prompt. Did Apple killed its Apple Car project? Like that, I'm asking a question to the model. I'm asking a question to the model. Then for that, under response, what I'm keeping is Ollama.chat, which means that model has to chat with me, right? So here I'm mentioning the model. Whatever model I'm going to use, I'm mentioning that particular model. Then I'm giving the message. In message, like what I'm giving, role as user. I'm going to ask the question, right? So my role is as user and the content is nothing but this prompt. Whatever prompt here I have given, that prompt has to be the content like that I'm mentioning. Then here what I'm doing, print response. Like whatever output I'm getting from that output under message, under context, this particular value will be there. Print that like that I'm mentioning. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to execute this. Before that, okay, fine. So here I'm executing this particular cell. See, this particular session you can understand, and based on this, you can build multiple models. Based on this, you all can build multiple model. And here I have noted that let's first see what is the behavior without rag like that I have kept. How come? Without rag like that I have kept. Now I will be telling you like what is rag. Let it run. Let's see the output. Then I will be telling you all what is rag. Let's wait for some time. Here, if you are able to see the star means, then we have to understand model is running. If you are able to find the number means, then you have to understand, okay, model executed like that you have to understand. It will take this much of time, you have to wait for it. Hmm. Okay, I think I have to restart the model. Just a minute. So previously I have did like rack. So it is understanding that particular model and it is executing. Just to give me a minute. Let me try to create a new notebook. Hmm. So before launching this particular session, so in my case, like I have checked this has not. Okay, Apple has not explicitly killed the. Yeah, see here. See here. I have restarted the model and I'm asking this question. We all see here that Apple has killed the what to say this particular project like that we all understood. This particular project is dead like that we all understood. But here what our model is giving is Apple has not killed it, but it is facing some challenges and delay like that we are getting. It is giving like January data, sorry, 2021 data only. It is giving 2021 data. Why 2021 data? Why? Because this particular model has been trained till 2021 only. This particular model has been trained till 2021 only. Till here, it's clear to everyone, right? Can I get a confirmation? Till here, it's clear to everyone, right? Now, let me tell you what is rack those things. Let me come here. What's the chat? Yeah, fine. Hmm. So, is there any model which trained up to 2023? Yeah, Gemma model is there. But wait, just wait. Like whatever I'm telling from this, like you all will be like getting impressed. As I said, when it comes to large language model, it will be like two stages. Two stages. The first stage is base model. The first stage is base model, and the second stage is fine tuning. Second stage is fine tuning. Now, in a notebook, like we have done something right. How come in a notebook, like I have showed you the. Wait, let me toggle to this. Here we have written something and we have asked the question, right? This is called base model. This is called base model. Here I have gone with the Apple vehicle project. I went with like Apple vehicle project and I'm not like getting the correct output. Why I'm not getting correct output? Why? Because this base model has trained till 2021 data only. In internet, whatever data we were having till 2021, with the data only, this model has been trained. Now what I want, 2024 kind of thing I want, right? Now here only, the fine tuning comes into the picture. So under fine tuning, this prompt engineering will be coming. Under fine tuning, this prompt engineering will be coming. What is mean by prompt engineering? First, you will be getting one output, but you want a specific output means again and again you will be like giving the prompt, right? That is called prompt engineering. In the same way, another different concept is there. That is nothing but RAG. That is nothing but RAG. Now let me tell what is RAG, what is RAG. Like that, let me tell. We know that our base model is completely trained with 2021 data only. Now, what I am going to do is, with the help of this RAG, I am going to feed 2024 data, 2024 data to the base model, to the base model. Then I will be getting output based on current trends. Then I will be getting output based on current trends. This is what RAG could do. Now, whatever we are going to do, this is one kind of basic RAG model we are going to do. Basic RAG model we are going to do. If you want to go for the advanced means, then we have to go with like LangChain, combination of LangChain with like any Gemma model or Palm model. Then from that we have to go with the RAG. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So for this 2021 model, I am going to pass this 2024 data. Then I am going to ask question. Now my model will be giving the answer based on that particular data. Okay. Now, let me come here. Here I'm having this particular content, right? Now what I will be doing is, I will be just copying the content. How come? I will be just copying the content, and in my local system, I will be creating a minute. I will be creating a text file. I hope everyone knows how to create a text file. I will be creating a text file as, wait. Notepad, just once. Just a minute. I have not shared that particular screen. Just a minute. So when I'm opening Notepad, in that like my personal things were there, I'm just saving it. Just to give me a minute. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. Now let me show the Notepad. So there, whatever content I'm able to find, I have created a text file like kb.text, like that I have created a text file, and just I have pasted it. Control V, like that I have pasted, and I have saved this. That's it. From the internet, I have copied the content. Then here I have pasted. Then I have saved it. That's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to my model, which means I'm going to this particular notebook. In this notebook, I am going to give a external knowledge to my large language model knowledge. I am going to give a external knowledge to my large language model knowledge. So how I can define knowledge like that you are telling, how you are defining means, just to think about it. In our second session, I think so, I have explained this. One, input prompt will be there. Then f of x. Then output prompt. So this is the thing I have said, right? This f of x is nothing but a magic or a mathematical function like that I have said. Mathematical function like that I have said. In other word, we can tell it as a knowledge. It is the complete knowledge of the machine. Based on this only you are getting the output. Based on this only you are getting the output. Now what we are going to do, whatever base model knowledge is there, large language model knowledge is there, I am going to give a external knowledge to it. I am going to give a external knowledge to that particular base model. Now my base model will be replacing here whatever content were there, that particular content will be replaced with this. That particular content will be replaced with my current knowledge. And now whenever I am asking a question, whenever I am asking a question to my model, based on this knowledge, it will be giving the answers. Based on my new knowledge, my machine will be giving the answers. This is what the RAG, like this we can say. This is what like RAG. Now let me come here. So here what I am doing is, I have created a text file, right? If you want to understand this particular code means, then no other go. You should be like little bit familiar with like Python. So here I am giving with open that kb.txt file. How come? Open that kb.txt file like that I am mentioning. And here I am giving the R mode, which means like read mode I am giving. Sorry, 1 second. Let me remove this, Control X. Here I am giving the R mode. R mode means read mode. W mode means write, which means like we can write, we can add some input to that particular text, particular like txt format. So here R mode as F like that I am giving, which means you are going to read this as a variable called F. Then what I am doing? Print F dot read like that I am giving, which means read that particular F like that I am giving. Now when I am executing, let's see the output. I am getting an error. I am getting an error, which is nothing but like Unicode error I am getting, which means my machine is not able to decode it. For that purpose only, we are giving a specific encoding. UTF-8 like that, we are giving a specific encoding. You no need to memorize this. We all no need to memorize this. Under encoding, we were having like multiple thing. UTF-8, Latina, ISO, like that we are having like multiple thing. These things from where we will be getting is, if you copy this error and if you paste in, I will show you that also. Let me copy the last line of error. Whenever in Python, whenever you are working, when you are getting an error, just to copy the last line of error and open the tab and like paste it. You will be finding the Stack Overflow. See, not only you or me, even every developers like friend is to Stack Overflow only. Just to go to Stack Overflow, here if you scroll down means you will be finding the answers, right? Under answers, you will be finding the encoding. After file name, use this, then you won't get error like that. You will be finding the answer. But you should have knowledge where to use like that. You should have knowledge. So with that, like here we are adding. Now let me try to execute this. See here, I got the content. Whatever content I were having in my text file, I got that particular content here. Now, like what we are going to do? Now, I'm going to save this into a variable called context. I'm going to save that into a variable called context. So see here, context like that I'm giving. To this context, I'm giving open the same code previously, whatever with like I have used, right? The same code I'm little bit like altering and I'm giving. So directly open that particular file in the read format and encode UTF-8 dot read, which means this particular content will be saved inside a variable called context. Now, if you change in this context means it won't affect this KB. It won't affect this KB. Now, here I am doing some like this will be little bit confusing. Try to understand. This will be little bit confusing. Try to understand. This is nothing but the knowledge. Here, whatever we are going to give, this is nothing but the knowledge. We are going to transfer the new knowledge to my model. So I am creating a variable called system prompt like that I'm creating a variable. How come system prompt like that I'm creating? In your case, like whatever name you want, you can create. In my case, I have created like system prompt like that. And here I'm giving the content, which is nothing but for all the question, use only the information present in the context. What is context? This is context. Whatever further question I am going to ask, just to refer this and give the answer like that I am telling. If you don't know the answer, don't provide wrong answer. Like that I'm mentioning to my mission. If you don't know, don't provide the wrong answer like that I'm mentioning. Then for context, I'm giving this particular variable. For context, I'm giving this particular variable. Next, what I'm doing, the same thing. Like we have to like pass this system prompt to the model, right? Just give me a minute. We have to pass that particular context to this particular prompt, right? So here what I'm giving is like message like that I'm giving, message like that I'm giving, and here I'm going to give the system message. The system message is nothing but at starting we have given a role as user. Why? Because I am going to type. User means I am going to type something and I am going to check. But here what I am doing, role as system, which means I am telling system to like understand this. So role as system, content as this prompt. Content as this prompt, like that I'm mentioning. Then what I'm doing, this message dot append. This particular content, this is like which format can anyone decode this? You are able to find like role system like that you are able to find, right? If anyone knows Python, can anyone tell this is like which format? I will be telling dict format. May I know like how many of them knows Python? Yeah, JSON also fine. JSON anyway follows the dictionary format only. So what we are doing, this dictionary, we are going to append into a list. This dictionary, we are going to append into a list. So like, I came to know that like most of the faculties, you are not having like much Python knowledge. So for them, like what I request is, I will be sharing this note, right? This code, right? So just wherever you are able to find the text, based on your text, you all can like edit and you can execute. If you are not able to understand this particular code means without changing anything, wherever you are able to find the prompt, you can change the prompt text kind of thing, and you can like based on your application, you can build it. Okay, see here for all question use only. This is the thing like I have given and I have appended it. After appending, what we have to do? Here I have appended. After appending, this particular thing I have to pass to a machine, right? How come this particular thing I have to pass to a machine? Now, again, user message, role user, which means I am going to ask question to my model. So role that user, then content, I am giving the prompt. What is the prompt? That prompt is nothing but this thing only. Did Apple kill this Apple car project? This is the thing. Now, uh, let me execute this. Name context is not defined. Now the code got executed. Now here I am giving role as user and context as prompt. Then followed by what I am giving? Message dot append. Previously in this messages only, how come? In this messages, we have created an empty list. In that empty list, first we have appended this system prompt, sorry, system condition. Then second, what we are going to append? We are going to append the user message. We are going to append the user message. So like those who knows Python, they can easily understand. Those who don't know, for them, like I will be giving an overview just to try to understand. So here I am going to create two dictionaries I am going to create. In that, first one is for system and the second one is for user. separately I'm going to create. Then what I'm doing is I'm creating a empty list. I'm creating a empty list. One variable I'm giving, to that variable I'm just giving like this. Then on the next step, what I'm doing is, first system is there, right? This system I want to make it inside. That is called append. For doing that only we are going for append. So when I'm appending, when I'm appending system thing, now this particular output, like this particular list, how it will be looking is, it will be looking like system, like that it will be looking. After this appending, it will be looking like this. Now next what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the second appending. Second appending. Here what I'm going to append, I'm going to append the user. I'm going to append the user. Now how the output will be is system, comma, user. Now I will push this to the our model. Now I will push this to the model. Till here everyone understood, right? How the list is creating, like that everyone understood, right? Can I get confirmation? Can I get confirmation from everyone? Okay. So where's the code? Till here we have done appended, like everything done. Now what I'm going to do is, in this response, I'm giving this Ollama, then dot chat. Here as a first parameter, I have to give the model. How come? As a first parameter, I have to give the model. And as a second parameter, I'm giving the messages. Now let's scroll up and let's understand about the first thing. Here what I have done for message, I have given only user. So this is the base model. I have given only user. But now here what I'm giving? I'm giving system plus user. System plus user. Then I'm telling the machine to print the response. Now if I execute this means, it is running. Let's wait for some time. See, in between, if you forgot to execute like any single code means, then your desired output will be like wrong. Then again, you have to execute from first. Make a note on it. Okay, it's running. We have to wait anyway. Let it run. Like time is taking like more than like usual. Let it be. Let's wait and see. Because like whatever knowledge our existing base model we're having, that knowledge has to be like replaced, right? So it is taking some time. Let's wait. Hmm. As I said, how you can understand whether the model is like executing or not. Here inside this bracket, if you find the star means, then that particular code is running. If you find any number means, the particular code is executed. If you find nothing means, then you have not executed that particular code. Like that, you have to understand. See, we are changing a small thing. A small thing we are changing. That is the reason I said like basic crack. For small thing itself, this many minutes it is taking. Think in real time application you are building. For your organization, you are building a data. Then organization data, how much it will be? Organization data, which is better Collab or Jupyter? See, if you want to use like Ollama means, then we have to use this particular Jupyter only. Why? Because Ollama, like as I said at starting, I said right, like we will be executing in local system. For executing in local system only, like Ollama we will be using, and we have installed that Ollama in our local system only. That is the reason we are executing in Jupyter. Just from this, you all have to think for a small changes itself, this many minutes it is taking. When you are like building for an like organization means, then how it will be? How many hours it will be taking? In some case, it might be taking a days also. That inside that much parameters will be there. That much parameter it has to like retrain. Okay, RAG full form, right? A RAG full form, like I will go to the note and I will be like writing. As of now, let's wait for this particular output. Let's see the output. Then when I'm hosting like Q&A, on the time like I will be like writing the what is RAG, like that I will be writing. Yes, still it's replicating. And when it comes to LLM, some issues also were there. If you're not having a proper system, means in my case, I'm having a proper system. If you're not having a proper system means, then there might be a chance of like a crashing also. Model could crash, code could terminate. Those issues also were there. What is this participant? It's taking like longer than usual. Okay, it's running right till that. Okay, it got executed. See here, what question I have asked? I have asked, did Apple kill this Apple Car project like that I have asked? Previously it said no like that it said. Now see here, it's telling yes like that it's telling. Yes like that it's telling. Yeah, retrieval augmented only. Yes like that it's telling. So this is nothing but a basic kind of RAG. Basic kind of RAG. So RAG is a technique which is used to uh, improve the efficiency of the LLM. Like that we can say. It's a clear to everyone. This particular notebook, these things like you will be getting in your mm, what to say, like in your platform you will be getting. And in the same way, this one like with the llama we have done right. Sorry, not llama. Dolphin model we have done right. In the same way, here like you have written the prompt. You have given some content and you have written the prompt. For this, what you can do, you can click on this get code. Here you are having the code right. If you want to use Gemini means, you can take this and you can use it. You can take this copy code and you can go to Google Colab and you can use in Google Colab. Gemini means it's a kind of Google model only, right? So you can use it in Google Colab. But when it comes to like Ollama means no other go, we have to use here only. We have to use in the local system. Okay, now tell me like, dear faculties, do you have like any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Let's have a quick Q&A. If you are having any doubts means you can ask. Quickly, let's understand like what and all we have learned today. Quickly, let's understand what and all, quick summary, let's understand. Meanwhile, if you are having any doubt means, you can ask me, like I will be like answering. So let me write summary. The first thing like what we have understood is, we have understood about the LLM models. LLM models and AI tools. LLM models and AI tools. So here AI tools is nothing but, yeah, this session is very informative. Thank you for providing valuable information about it. Yeah, very thank you. What is concept of social LLM? See, like the term LLM is the term. Social LLM, business LLM, those things are all nothing but social means what? Like social kind of social media, socially, like they will be telling, like the general kind of thing. If a model is able to do those kind of tasks, means then that is called like social LLM. When I'm opening AI Studio, Windows disappears. Okay, when you're opening AI Studio, Windows disappears. Hmm. Then I think like there might be a sorry for this, like I can't give the actual solution. Why? Because it's completely a OS problem. Uh, I could say like try with the different system like that. I could say, sir, can I make project through Gemini or Ollama? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Our last day, Monday is our like last day, right? On that particular day, we will be building an application. We will be building an application itself, either with Streamlit or Flask. So some code I can't understand. Is there any prerequisites? See, one and only prerequisites is I will be telling Python. Without knowing Python, it's like actually a bit tough. Without knowing Python, why? Because when it comes to this AI field, Python is like very very important. What is the use of Ollama to a student, sir? How can it be used for a student? How can like used for a student means how I can say for them like doing task whatever assignment these things you are giving. If they want to do means they can create an application itself with Ollama one LLM they can create, and whenever you are giving task they can directly see think that uh, you are telling your particular student to do some task. If they create this particular application means directly if they give their questions here means it will be giving the answer. Just like that, they can copy and paste, or they can see that and they can write and they can submit to you. Within a fraction of a second, they are doing right. To be frank, I will be telling that this LLM educational application more than like educational applications, it is like completely for like real time application. RAG is a framework. RAG, I won't say it is a framework. I can't say like RAG is a framework like that. I can't say. Why? Because a framework means it will be help developers with multiple functionalities. A collection of functionalities, collection of methods is called like a framework like that we used to say. But here RAG it will be having some functions, but anyway this particular RAG will be like applicable for LangChain also. So RAG I will be telling it is a kind of tool like that I will be telling. I won't say like it is a kind of framework. How to prepare presentations. So if you want to prepare any kind of presentation means Tome app like that one thing will be there. Tome.ai like that. So from that you can create any kind of PPTs, and multiple paid AI tools were there. So paid AI tools is nothing but if you pay for that particular tool, then whatever you want you can do on that. Yes, possible. Possible. Easily we can build a what is a chatbot and you can integrate. For integrating, like either you can go with like Flask or Fast API or Streamlit. These are the frameworks. If you are having like any understanding on this means, whatever application you are having to that application, you can easily integrate. So what is bias in LLM? I can't, like, bias in machine learning means like we can tell the misconception or like wrong prediction, like that I can say with like uh, uh, with the wrong data giving like wrong prediction kind of thing, like that we can say. But when it comes to LLM, it is anyway like generated only, right? So here like bias, like how we can say is like influence, like that we can say. In a training data, if I'm having like one related to like Apple means, then suddenly when I'm asking Apple and Microsoft, Apple and Microsoft, both content I'm having. Think this particular scenario, Apple and Microsoft content, both I'm having. So you are going to create a text file. Think you are going to create a text file. In that I'm having Apple and Microsoft. These two contents I'm having. But whatever content I'm having, in that 80% is completely based on this Apple. And 20% is completely based on this Microsoft. Now, when I pass this to a base model, and when I'm trying to like tune it, when I'm trying to tune it, then automatically the more weightage will be going for Apple only, right? Because here only more information were there. So this kind of things is called like a bias, like that we used to say. Can we use this to recognize for handwritten? No, no, no. This is completely different. Handwritten means like we can say like mm, what to say? YOLO, object detection kind of algorithms were there. We will be going with that. LLM means only for generating. Thank you. If you can show a small example on creating a chatbot and connect with the web. Okay, chatbot. Okay, whenever like content we define with like summarization. Let's see, like if Monday, if we are able to complete that meet, then we could build a small chatbot too. If time, if we were having time means. Okay, quick summary like LLM and AI tools we have understood. Then we have done the practical implementation. Practical implementation on like Ollama. So till here, I hope like everyone, it's clear. I think so. That's it from my side. Like one last call. If you are having any questions, means please share the notes. Yeah, yes, sure. Like in your platform, you will be getting the notes. So how to access platform, those things like Chandana will be like mentioning you. Yes, sir. The session was like very informative. Yeah, very thank you, thank you. Yeah, that's it from my side. If you are having any questions, means you all can ask. If not, means I will be hand overing the session to like Chandana. You you have covered lot of things, but yeah, we have to practice. It's completely a kind of practice only. We have to practice. Mm, thanks for conversation. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, Chandana, I am done from my side. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Hari.
Yeah, welcome.
So, faculties, I'm sharing the attendance link again. If you missed out your attendance, please mark it again. And regarding LMS, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. Do we have session on Saturday and Sunday? No, we don't have. So again, we have a session on Monday. Okay, we'll meet on Monday again. So Fatima, you missed out first and second days, like 2 days attendance, no? That's okay, but make sure that you have to mark at least 3 days because it will reach to 60%. You are eligible for certificate. Otherwise, we can't able to, certify you. From where we'll get like notes. So in LMS, we will get it. So how to access LMS? You have to register for that. Just drop an email to edl@excelor.com for the LMS queries. My team will connect with you. Okay, madam. Monday will be the last session. Yes. So this is the fourth day, and fifth day we have on Monday. Monday is the last day for that. Okay. Yeah, I told that for LMS, you just drop an email to edl@excelor.com. Okay, fine. So I'm done for the day. Yeah, good to go. We'll wind up this session and we'll meet on Monday. So tomorrow we don't have any sessions. We'll meet on Monday. Thank you.